Hey, good morning. Top of the morning to y'all. So what's good about today? So today, the Department of Licensing had contacted us and asked us to repaint all their offices. On this here, put on this and tape it. Yeah, out in the parking lot. No, not like this. Okay, let's go in here and see how the painters are doing inside. Looks like I just started hearing a pump going. So he's prepping for the priming the pump. This guy's setting up the doors. So here's how we set up the doors. There's the plastic to protect the ceiling, the plastic and the paper to protect the floor. Here's Redmond. So he's priming the pump. What we have to do is there's a certain way that we cycle the paint from the new paint, and we cycle it through the pump, and then we have to prime it. So we run about 1.5 gallons of paint through the pump before we actually start spraying. And what that does is it just cycles the paint in so that we're getting good solid paint when we first pull the trigger. So they've masked around the doors. They've prepped all the carpet, plastic all the carpet. Everything's taped there. This is how they put in the doors. So this is how we set up the doors for our painting. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Do you have some salsas? Yeah. Okay, back over to the Department of Licensing. So, when you work hard, it's kind of nice to be treated to a little bit of food in the morning, especially a breakfast burrito. El Sazon has amazing sausage and egg, fresh tortilla, breakfast burritos. Bien? Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, Miss Said. Is it good? Come He's healthy. He's healthy. Did you eat? No? Good? Yeah. How good, Beto?
Like the burrito. Like a burrito.
All right, me too. Okay, so here we are again. This is Sunday at the Department of Licensing. And we still have the paint booth up for the doors. And all these walls got 2 coats of super satin paint on them. So all these offices are painted. The only thing we have left here is this blue hallway. And we also have the bathrooms left. I wanted to show you inside of this paint booth. As you can see, we make a paint booth both on the ceiling and around in a circle. And I wanted to show you guys the inside of it, okay? So, as you can see, I just tore out the hole, and inside, you have a completely enclosed paint booth that allows us to contain all the overspray and all the paint particles when we're spraying these doors. So here you can see that we've set up the door trees and we've set them up so that we can spray them all. And as you can see, these walls are all freshly coated. We've got 2 coats. Interior super satin. We've got a crew of guys coming in to move all this stuff and put it back. Today is cleanup day and touch-up day. Tomorrow, this will be full of people, staff. This will be full of people waiting for the staff. We have just some cleanup on the base. So anywhere the tape didn't stick is where we come through and we just clean up that line to make sure that's nice and straight. It's all water soluble paint, so it comes up fairly quickly. So a little bit of cleanup, yeah, it's really good. So we'll go through and just clean up that section of it to make those lines look really good. I wanted to come in and talk to each one of the staff because we were here over the weekend. And a lot of times I just want to touch bases with them and let them know. So I've got a sticker and a little something for them. But I wanted just to let them know that we come in and make sure that they have their desk back in.
Hey, we take pictures of each other.
It's for you. Thank you. You're welcome. And like I was saying, on Saturday and Sunday, we knew that Tuesday morning that it would fill up with customers and there's no way we can be in here to paint. So that's why we only have limited time to get everything done. So the guys worked really hard, they worked really late, and I'm really glad that they got them done. So as you can see, all the customers are in here. Get your license situated, and there's a lot of people in there, and they wait actually for a long time. So anyways, you guys can have your department licensing all back, and this coming Saturday it won't be closed because we're not going to be in there painting, and this is probably another successful job that we have completed. I'm glad they're happy, and I'm really happy that the painters did a really good job and they got the job completed.